Rough sex on the bedroom floor. Hop in the shower, she begging for more.
A natterhead is sure to get me at least noticed. Gronkles are tough. Taking down one of those would definitely get me a girlfriend. A Zippleback? Exotic. 2 heads, twice the status. Then there's the monstrous nightmare. Only the best Vikings go after those. They have this nasty habit of setting themselves on fire.
Reload! I'll take care of this.
But the ultimate prize is the dragon no one's ever seen. This thing never steals food, never shows itself, and never misses.
The Night Fury, also known as the offspring of lightning and death itself, has been spotted by a nearby villager of Berk and reported to the chief Stoic the Vast. Of course, after being warned, nobody believed the outcast. Years later, the same young man by the name of Hiccup Haddock still hasn't been found. However, there's been recent reports of a man riding what's said to be the Night Fury that was reported years ago. We strongly advise that you do not engage, and by all means, hide. If you end up getting shot by the creature, the plasma blast will result in excruciating and agonizing pain or death, whichever comes first.
I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
Hot blood, these veins, my pleasure is their pain. I love to watch the castles burn. These golden ashes turn to dirt. I've always
Cut out your hurt and take it to my father.
You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
I'm not one of them. Quite the performance.
I've never seen anyone mess up that badly. That hell.
To stay, look after Hiccup.
Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and saying to yourself, it's not over until I win.
You better put it down. Now we do it all the talk. I ain't paying anymore. You heard me when I said before. You better put it down. Make me say, you the one I like. Come put your body on my. Keep it up all night. Don't let me down. You better put it down. Now we do it all the talk. I ain't paying anymore. You heard me when I said before. You better put it down. Let me say, you the one I like. Come on, put your body on might. Keep it up all night. Don't let me down.
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I would gladly do it twice. Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I would gladly do it twice.
Are they giant? Is there sharp teeth? Breathe fire? Fly? What happened to your leg?
Wanna stay on the ground now. Our people will lead a chief, and there you are. There comes a day when you're gonna look around and realize happiness is where you are.
Remember me?
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You